Woodford invented the first frost-free faucet in 1938. The Woodford Model 17 freezeless faucet is the best-selling frost-free faucet in America. It's preferred by plumbers because of its reliability, resulting in nearly zero callbacks. The Woodford Model 17 is designed for year-round residential irrigation purposes in freezing climates. The faucet will not burst if installed correctly and if the homeowner detaches the hose before freezing conditions occur. The Model 17 features an integrated vacuum breaker to protect against backflow and is ASSE 1019 listed. The Model 17 is available with or without the following accessories. The vandal-resistant stem lock offers keyed access to help prevent water theft. The oversized flange covers large holes from previous faucet installations and secures loose faucets. The wall faucet mounting sleeve takes the guesswork out of how far to stub out Woodford faucets through brick, stone, and stucco veneers. And finally, the adjustable operating rod converts a Woodford Model 17 freezeless faucet into an anti-burst faucet that won't burst even if the homeowner leaves the hose attached in freezing weather. Plumbers prefer Woodford Model 17 because it's the most reliable, problem-free, frost-free faucet in America.